Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today's an exciting day because I got something brand new that I want to show you. Now, if you've watched my videos, you know how much I love to smoke meats outside and do all of that, and I have a lot of different variety of smokers, but believe it or not, up until now, I didn't actually own a regular grill. That was until today when I received the Monument Grills Denali 605. Monument Grills was kind enough to send me this grill, and so we're going to show you a little bit of the setup, show you a little bit of cooking on it, some of the features, and give a good honest review. So check this out. The Denali actually came in 2 boxes, which was awesome. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the way it was packed. Everything was in there really snugly and nicely, and like nothing was broken or missing or even dented or anything. It was all in perfect shape. The main chassis of the grill comes already fully assembled. All you gotta do is add the lid, shelves, build the bottom, and you're done. I also used the Monument Grills natural gas conversion kit to convert the Denali to natural gas so that I don't ever have to worry about propane. And this is where it gets cool. The Denali has a smart panel on the side of it that tells you the temperature inside the grill, and then also some options for using meat probes that also come with the Denali to tell you the internal temperature of your meat at all times without you having to open the lid. And bonus, it's Bluetooth compatible, so I can control it with my phone. And speaking of the lid, you can actually see that there is a nice big window where you can look directly in at your food at all times, again, so you don't have to lift the lid over and over again and let that precious heat escape. And if you haven't noticed by now, this thing is massive. It's got 6 burners in the main area, plus the 1 side burner. There's a little button on the side, and when you press it, it will illuminate all of the burner control knobs. And super cool, they change color based on the temperature of that particular burner. I also really appreciate the thought that Monument put into this grill with just some of these little convenience features, like these hooks to hang your tools on both sides of the grill. The stainless steel body is just gorgeous, and the inside is just as beautiful. I threw some simply seasoned chicken breasts on, and they cooked perfectly and evenly. So overall, huge fan of the Denali. I would 100% recommend this grill to anybody looking to add to your cooking arsenal. And if that's you, you can get your very own Monument Grill with a discount exclusive to viewers of the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. All you gotta do is click the link down in the video description. I'll post a link to it there, so you just click there and go get whatever you want from Monument, and they're gonna give you a discount, but you have to use that link. If you got any questions about this amazing grill, post them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to chime in and answer those questions for you. So big thank you to Monument Grills for this incredible grill, and I'll see you next time.